Hello everyone, it's Frank again with another Jeep CJ7 video. Today's video is a little different than what we usually do. We got a bunch of parts for the CJ and I wanted to go over them with you guys so you can see what's coming in the next couple of videos. So I ordered most of these from Rock Auto, some of them from Amazon. It was a good mix between the two. Most of it is just general maintenance that you should probably do on a car you buy that's 40 years old. So don't expect any flashy bumper or anything like that. First thing we have here are the two pulleys, which are really worn out on the Jeep right now. Only one of them is there and it squeals. Then we got ourselves some radiator flush to flush out that radiator that's pretty rusty. Some power steering fluid because it needs it. Then we have an adapter that fits the distributor cap from a Ford F-150 because we're going to be switching out the old Jeep one to a slightly larger one that's supposed to be better. I'll go into more detail on that in the video where I actually install them. Here we have the oil filter. I ended up going with the Wix brand because it was decently priced and not a horrible brand, I guess. Then we got the tool I've bought a million times, a spark plug capper. I keep losing them. Then we got the rotor for the distributor here, which is also from an F-150. New spark plugs. More spark plugs. I finally got a new magnet for my fridge from Rock Auto. I've only had one for the longest time, even though I've ordered from them a million times before. A radiator cap, because the one currently on the Jeep is broken. The distributor cap from the F-150, as before mentioned. And finally, the wires for the spark plugs of that Ford F-150. Then we got a heater bypass hose because the one it currently has is bent at a really bad angle and leaks a lot. And last but not least, but opened off camera, I have the oil. As I said, most of these parts will be going into the Jeep or will be used on the Jeep in the upcoming videos, so you'll probably see them this week, next week, maybe a week after. As always, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.